Hello and welcome to my first video. Today we will learn how to build a blackjack game in Java. In this video, I will explain what blackjack is, what tools we will use to build blackjack game, and in the end, I will explain the structure of this program. So let's get started. So blackjack is a card game where you play against the dealer, which is the computer in this case. This game is very simple to understand but has enough strategy to make it interesting. The objective is to have cards with a total value closer to 21 without exceeding the value 21. For instance, if your total goes over 21, that's called a bust and you lose automatically. If the dealer's total goes over 21, they bust and we win. So that's the basic idea. Now let's talk about the rules of this game. So this game has a normal 52 card deck as in most card games. Each card has a value and here's how the cards are scored. Number cards, which are the cards from 2 to 10, are worth their face value. For instance, a 5 of hearts is worth 5 points. Face cards, which include Jack, Queen, and King, are worth 10 points each. And the aces are pretty unique to this game because they can have the value 1 or 11, depending on what's better for your hand. So that's the idea. So here's how this game works. At the start, both you and the dealer get two cards. On your turn, you can choose to either hit, which means taking another card to get closer to 21, or stand, which means keeping your current cards because you're satisfied with your score. The dealer must follow these specific rules, which are as follows. They must hit if their total is 16 or less than 16, and they must stand if their total is 17 or over 17. So the great part about this game is the player gets a choice and the dealer does not really get a choice. The winner is whoever gets closer to 21 without going over. So the winning conditions for this game are, as I already mentioned, whoever will get closer to 21 will win. And if you as a player exceed 21, the dealer will win. So now let me walk you through a sample game flow. Let's take this simple example and let's play the first round of blackjack. You get 10 and 6, so your total is 16. The dealer gets 9 and a face down card. So face down card is an unknown card in this game. So it's your turn and you choose to take a hit and you get a 4. So your total is 20. And then you decide to stop. That means take a stand because 20 is close to 21. Now it's the dealer's turn since we decided to take a stand. So dealer reveals their hidden card and it turns out to be 7. So the total is 16. The dealer then takes a hit because the total is 16. So dealer has to take a hit and they get the card 5. So their total is exactly 21. So as a result, dealer has 21 cards. We have 20 cards. So the dealer wins and we lose. So now let me walk you through the tools and technologies we will use for this project. We will use Java because Java is an object-oriented programming language which contains classes and objects to structure the entire program. And for this project, I will use IntelliJ IDEA, which is a powerful IDE for writing and testing Java code. Now let me walk you through the program skeleton for this project. For the sake of this project, we will have a few classes and they are as follows. Firstly, we will create a card class which will represent a single playing card, for instance, a 2 of hearts. Then we will create a deck class to manage all these cards. After that, we will create a player class that will handle all the player actions like hitting or standing. And after that, we will create a dealer class, which is similar to player class, but different rules specific to the dealer. And finally, we will create a game class, which will control the game flow and be the main class for the entry point for the Java program. Next, we will have methods like shuffle, deal cards in the class deck. After that, we will have methods like get, total, hit, and stand, which are pretty self-explanatory by their name. And we will have these methods in class player and dealer. Finally, we will have a method called play, which will be the main entry point for the full game loop in the class game. Stay tuned for the next part where I will teach you how to write the actual code. Thank you and see you guys in the next video.